Welcome to the next part of this exercise. And picking up where we left off, let's use the cameras we just placed for obtaining the main overview drawings of this model. To start off, and as you can observe, through this first configuration tab, we could specify some of the main aspects of the view itself, such as the reference plane or UCS used for generating the view, the presentation and labeling of objects, and finally, if this view will automatically perform the placement of dimensions. And if so, which elements should be used as reference? For the drawings that we need to obtain, for example, let's say, and using the beam section strategy, that we want the program to perform the automatic placement of dimensions. And as you can see, the Drawing Style Manager gives us indeed great control over the appearance and detail of each drawing. Here we have then the resultant drawing. Although, and as we can see, the default placement of each drawing is incorrect. Therefore, and before we continue, let's take some moments to quickly adjust the position of each view. Here we have, then, a more adequate arrangement of the views. Also worth noting is that, due to the template we chose, all part marks and names for the bolts have been automatically placed. Furthermore, a table or list of elements has been automatically added to this layout, although it is true that some adjustments are still necessary. Nevertheless, and from this point forward, we may begin to modify this and the views according to our needs, adding dimensions, labels, callout views, and so on. And as you may appreciate, this particular method we have observed is relatively more efficient than performing the individual placement of each of the views. But let's move on and obtain some more drawings for documenting this project.